Behind me, a humongous drone has taken off. Now this drone is fitted with sensors and camera to study the rainforest here in Singapore, and that was launched by a team from Canada. They are among 13 teams that are here for the semifinals of the XPRIZE Rainforest competition, which is the $10 million prize, which aims to find technology that helps the automation of the assessment of our rainforest around the world. Now, I've been here for 2 weeks and I've seen robotic dogs venturing out into the forest to collect photos and audio data. I've seen drones being used to collect eDNA data and water samples, Land Rovers being sent into the forest as well to collect leaf litter from which you can identify the species that live in the forest. But how will these projects turn out? Where do they go from here? And what do these projects say about the state of conservation technology today? I'll have stories on that and more in the weeks ahead on Mongabay. Stay tuned.